This is the Germany EAS alert. We introduce a Smile 22 pandemic warning for the following countries: North America, South America, Asia, South America, and Japan. And also Germany. So make sure you wash your hands or use hand sanitizer before you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, or your legs. And make sure to wear a mask, because if you do it, then you will be infected with the Smile 22 virus. Many people have been reporting people getting the Smile pandemic 22. And what they can do is, if they get the virus, they will have a bright, wide open eyes and a bright smile. And the defense is to trap and hug people. So don't do that. Don't go outside. Just wear a mask. Be safe. Wash your hands and be healthy. This is the Germany EAS signing off for the first time. 20 hours later. Guys, we interrupt this program to 22 news. So, the Smile pandemic has been affecting people around the city, and people have been hugging people and trapping people to their own traps. I know, right? I know. I'm scared. Wait, man. Wait. Son, why are you asking? There's an emergency sign on the Germany? Yes. Let's check it out. Okay. Alright, we're gonna check the EAS Germany thing out. So, here we go. This program has been interrupted. Precautions should follow. This is the Germany EAS guy. Signed on. The Smile pandemic has been heading for Japan. So Japan has a warning that can come you to its location. So we will check it out soon. Well, this is the German EAS guy signing off for the second time. Make sure to wash your hands, stay healthy. Meanwhile, in Japan, So, the Smile 22 pandemic was around the world, and now and now the United States has been infected and everyone has wear masks. But there's a twist. It's going for Japan. So wear a mask, be safe, wash your hands, stay healthy, and be safe. Don't go out. Just wear a mask before you go out. And that's all. Signing off. Meanwhile, in Canada,
这是中国共产党应依法当局的要求发出的紧急警告信息。Smile-22 病毒在北京市爆发，一架载有受感染乘客的客机在北京首都国际机场坠毁。从那以后，该地区已发生了几次暴力袭击。在美国弗吉尼亚州的领事馆报道的第一例 Smile-22 袭击事件，该地区在北京也见到类似的袭击事件。美国当局说，研究设施事故是第一次爆发的原因，建议所有居民采取以下行动：在室内寻求庇护，请勿出于任何原因外出，请勿与感染者接触。他们被确定为睁大眼睛，具有增强的感官、笑脸，没有沮丧或悲伤的感觉。暴力行为，例如针对未感染者并拥抱他们。被感染者袭击的人将成为这些生物。现在允许使用致命武力保护自己和他人，不要试图直接攻击被感染的人，仅在自卫时才这样做。如果您被感染，请立即自杀以避免感染。保持镇定，不要惊慌，因为这只会使情况变得更糟。
That's all. Sign off.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the New York State Police and the Governor's Office of New York, the Emergency Management Agency and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports have come into local and state authorities that clusters of infected are reported in the following areas: Lower Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Nassau County, and in parts of upstate New York such as Hudson Valley. The Smile-22 infections have now been present in the following states: Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Due to an increased possibility of more infections and more states receiving infected cases, the Governor of New York has issued a quarantine order for all of New York State, including New York City, and Nassau and Suffolk counties, and is now being sealed off. Martial law is now being imposed on all infected and neighboring states. If you are a resident of an infected state, and your license plate says that you've come from an infected state, you will be turned away or charged without court counsel. If you are a resident and are not living in any of these infected states, please continue to monitor local new broadcasts regarding the Smile-22 epidemic. The Smile-22 is a cognitohazardous disease that is transmissible by air and could spread from person to person via physical contact such as bruising, contact through wounds, or by hugging. Symptoms of the Smile-22 virus upon inhalation of the substances originated from the Mount Rogers Extell Research Facility accident include minor weakened muscle coordination, partial impaired mental ability, and tingling on their head and neck. Those who are affected directly by infected persons will experience the following: epileptic seizures, headaches, muscle vibrations, rapid breathing, and eye flashes. After between 10 or 20 seconds of showing symptoms, these victims then succumb to the virus, virtually losing most of the human and brain functions. Those infected by an airborne virus will also turn into these infected persons upon eye contact of camera flashes. The following characteristics of people succumb to Smile 22 include, but may not be limited to, widened eyes with no chance of blinking, smiling face with no sense of negative emotion, uncontrollable aggressive behavior tendencies such as running towards uninfected people and making physical contact by hugging the person they see or cough. Death occurs 2 to 4 days after turning into these creatures, following convulsions and coma. All residents who are not infected by Smile 22 and haven't turned into these creatures must do the following actions: stay indoors and do not go outside for any reason. Close or shut off all ventilation ducts, heating and air conditioning systems. Wear a mask rated N95 and limit contact with other people. Do not let anyone in your home and stay away from doors and windows. If the infected breaks into your home, or if you see one heading towards you, the use of lethal force is authorized in order to protect yourself and others. Do not let the infected attack or hug you, as you will be infected. If you do get infected, commit suicide immediately before you turn into these creatures to avoid further risks to those around you.
No.
Those who are infected by Smile 22 but did not turn
I
into these
don't,
creatures are
then I will
discouraged
turn
from
into
using
these
cell phones and
creatures.
cameras and to avoid making eye contact with any camera or light flashes. Remember to stock up on emergency supplies worth at least 7 days, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlights, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. It is recommended to have a weapon such as a handgun or sharp and
They're coming in my house.
prepare for
Close
an
the door.
attack by
Oh
the
my
infected. Most importantly,
Oh,
remain
no.
calm and do not panic. Panicking will most likely decrease your chances of survival and could make situations far worse. Do not let the infected find you. At this time, the CDC and the Department of Health and Human Services are developing an antidote to reverse the effects of this virus, and it is expected to be completed at the beginning in 2023, but the effectiveness of this new antidote may not be known due to the urgency and complexity of this situation. The CDC officials are continuing to encourage all citizens to stay indoors and to keep alert and vigilant of yourself for any aerosol symptoms or your surroundings. Stay tuned to this station, or other media and internet sources for the latest information and updates on this dangerous, life-threatening situation.
Holy jeez. No! This cannot be happening. Oh crap, I think the virus just came in. I think the virus just came in. Will you and make you I'm gonna make you inside. Did. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm back to normal. Oh, dang it, we'll get him next time. Yep, I know. Yay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And I have favorites. The man who got stabbed died. It's kind of very sad that we're crying and everything, and that's all. Goodbye.